The world of crypto is exploding, and those who don't keep up just get left behind. So either forget about this promising market, or let us fill you in within a minute. On International Tiger Day, here's a shout out to crypto's contribution to animal conservation. Carbonbase, a green tech startup, partnered with WWF to launch a marketplace for rare digital collectibles. The sale of these NFT eggs will go towards conservation efforts and artist platforms. If successful, the eggs will also hatch, triggering bonus rewards for everyone involved in the project. Fortunately or unfortunately, you can't say Tiger today without mentioning Tiger King. More, the innovative crypto club is partnering with Joe Exotic to launch his NFT from prison. On this channel, we don't often ask why, but this time, why? The State Hermitage Museum in St. Petersburg has joined the non-fungible token fray, announcing an auction of tokenized versions of several masterpieces from its collection, including works of Da Vinci, Monet, and Van Gogh. The sale will take place at the end of August on the Binance NFT marketplace. And that's a wrap for the Daily Crypto Bulletin. Remember to subscribe to our channel and mine some crypto knowledge. Its price only seems to keep going up.